with BK. So in this video, I'm going to solve question 1 of Computer Science Practical Paper ISC of Boards 2011. So I have this question in front of me. I'm going to read the question, understand it, get myself clear of doubts, prepare an outline and code this. So the question says, write a program to input a natural number less than 1000 natural number, so 12999 and display it in words. Let's say a program for given sample data and some random data. So for 29, this is out of range, 119 and 500. Okay, so this is the problem in front of me and I need to solve, and I have to take tests each maximum cases possible. So this is the first question that I'm doing, that I'm preparing a video that I have to spend some 5-10 minutes writing down some notes. Otherwise I just directly start. So because it was not clear to me, so I had to prepare an outline, so like how I have to approach this. So this is what I have. So I'll print 1 to 9 separately, 10 to 20 separately, 20 and 20 to 10 to 19, 21 to 99 separately, and 100 and above separately. Okay, let's start. So a method to print a single digit. Okay, static void print. Okay, and I take int n, switch case, switch n, case 1, case 2. Okay, similarly I have, so I'll print system not out dot print 1. Okay, no space, nothing. That all will be taken care when we are actually printing the whole number. This will just take care of what we are supposed to print for this given case. Have 2 here. I'll keep copying this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9. Okay, so this is all the possible single digits I'll have, and I don't think I'll be passing any other value. Then I'll print values from 10 to 20. Print values from 10 to 20. Okay, so I have static void print single digit, print 10 to 20, int n. Okay, so I'll take the same switch case n, 10 11 12 13 14, or I'll take it 10 to 19 here, and 10 to 19. 20 is a border case, so I'm not very sure that I'm going to take it in this one or the 20 to 99 one. 12 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. Let's just check these as well. So it is 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, then I'll have 20 to 99. Okay, print print to 99, print 20 to 99. Okay, Okay, so there are two parts here. The part which is the tens digit and the units digit. So if it is 20, I am going to print 20 plus the units digit. So if there is nothing in the units digit, nothing is printed. If there is 21, so 20 plus 1. Okay, so get the unit tens digit. So in tens digit is equals to n by 10. Okay, so print this tens digit. So I'll have to have another switch case. So tens digit can be 1. Oh, I'll copy this better. This one, so which has 1 to 9 cases. So 1 won't be there because we have already covered 11 to 19. So it will from 2 and all, 2 and onwards. Okay. Tens digit and tens digit can be 2. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, tens digit is printed and print the units digit. So int, sorry, units digit is equals to n percent 10. So if this is 0, return, or even if it is 0 and you pass this, so there is no case for 0, so nothing will be printed. So okay, and we need to, if units digit is not equal to 0, so we'll have to print a space system.out.print space and then print the units digit. So I'll use that our function print single digit and I'll pass the value units digit. Okay, now this will be to print 100 value. Okay, so 100 value is like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 1 plus 100, so print single digit plus 100. Okay, so static void print hundreds. Okay, int n, like it will be just, so this will be a single digit will be, which will be the value 5 or 6, and if it is 5 we are going to print 500. So I'll write here, if n is 1, print 100. For n is equals to 2, print 200, and so on. Okay, so this is because this will make our program very simpler. So I'm going to print single digit first. So I'm going to print single digit n, then add a space, and then I'm going to add 100 to it. Print 100. System.out.print 100. Okay, so I have my 1 to 9, I have my 20, 10 to 19, I have my 20 to 99, I have my print hundreds. I guess I need to just compile now. Okay, so the main method, public static void main string args. Okay, I'm going to use a scanner class to read from the standard input. What java .util.scanner, and I will have scanner object, scanner is equals to new scanner system.in, close the scanner, because I always tend to close the scanner whenever I don't need it. dot close. Okay. Okay, the first thing is input is nothing like a prompt in the input, so it directly reads the input, read the integer. So int n is equals to scanner dot next int and check for valid range. So if this is not greater than 1 and less than 1000, I will show an error message and terminate. Show error message system dot out dot println error message is out of range, and I will terminate the program. Simply write it and it will terminate. Okay, if it is in the range, so I need to print. So cases for single digit. If n is less than 10, okay, print single digit n. Okay, nothing to do here. If 10 to 19, else if n is less than 20, okay, print 10 to 19. Print 10 to 19 n, else if 20 to 99, else if n is less than 100, okay, print 20 to 99 n, else this is the case, values from 100 to 999. Okay, so first print the 100. Okay, so int 100 is equals to n by 100. Okay, and print 100. So this is print hundreds, 100. Okay, we have print the 100. Now if get the remainder, so n is equals to n minus 100 into 100. So this will give us the remaining value to print. So if this is 0, return. If n is equals to 0, return. Okay, else print the rest. So I guess I did a little. So n is less than 10, is less than 20, and okay, so print the rest. So I will have to add a space here. So system.out.print, because this will print some 100, so I will have to have a space after that, and print the 2-digit number. So I'll have to add these cases here. So if n is less than 20, I print 10 to 19, else if n is less than 20 or is less than 20, that will print this. I'll have to add all these cases, so I will add this here. So after my 100 is printed, if this is a single digit, it will be, so I'll have to add and okay, and then prints, if this is a single digit, it prints 1 2 3 and 23, 100 and 23, and so on. If this is less than 20, it prints accordingly 120, 119, 17, 10, 18. If it is less than 100, obviously it will be less than 100, so it will print 125 or 20, things like that. So just we'll have to compile and check now. So Java C, I hope there is no error. There is no error. Okay, so I'll add 29. So it's 29. Okay, change of line is to be added. Change line. So system.out.println change line. Okay, Java C clear, Java C, Java I have 29. Okay, Java I have, what was the second test case? 17001, 17001 out of range 119 and 500, 119, 119. Okay, and what was the one? 500, 500. So 500. Oh, there is another change of line, so I'll have to cut this and make sure it is added at all required places. So before return I need to add here, if this is the number which is get, is if this is only 100 number like 500, 600. Okay, print 20 to 99, 10 to 99. I'll have to add a change line here. I'll have to add a change line here. I'll have to add a change line here. This change line is really not important because you are getting the right output and it is not mentioned that you need to change a line, but just for clarity I'm adding this. Okay, so I will compile again. I will add 29, then I have 119, I have 119, I have 17001 which is out of range, I have 500 which is 500, I'll have 1 which is 1. Oh, 1 is out of range, so it's good that I check is, if not, oh, it has to be greater than 0. That's a good check. Compiling again, running again. It is always important that you check the border cases, because border cases are the places, border cases where the case may change, because like I did from 1 to 10 and then 10 to 19 and then 20 to 99. So wherever there is a border, make sure that you check it, because border cases are the one that crash the most. I have 10, then I have 111, 111, then I have 457, 457, then I have 666, 666, then I have another border case is 999, 999. I clear, I run it again. I have another case is 4040. I have another case 44, 44. I have another case 68, 68, case 38. I ran 38. Okay, so my program works just fine. It took me just 5 minutes to just absorb this. I hope this video was helpful and clear to you. So please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.